Hello everyone. The NEET exams for postgraduate seats are just over. Today I will be sharing with you all why a PG student should enroll at MLD MHI for medicine MD course. The MLD MHI training methodology is totally patient based. For any homeopathic physician, clinical diagnosis is a most important part. The patient presents to us with symptoms. Then we as physicians examine and discover certain signs. Also, we order certain investigations. This is a three-legged stool for any clinical diagnosis. But to think clinically, one needs to know what are the various possibilities of diagnosis that come up when the patient presents. People always think that for homeopathic physician, clinical diagnosis is not important. I would put it the other way around. Clinical diagnosis for a homeopath is a most important step. Also, the stage of the disease, the possibility of cure, recovery or palliation. As a physician, one needs to know what are the avenues open before taking any case in hand. Now, this thinking process will develop in a physician during his practice, provided during his training period he is trained in this way. If you are taught a hand-on experience on various kinds of patients, your further course as a practicing physician would become very easy. At MLD MHI, there are various OPDs, general OPDs, specialized OPDs of various diseases in which the student is exposed to a live patient, right from screening to total case taking. And then further the working part which goes to totality, the therapeutic aspect of it, the therapeutic problem definition, the resolution point, what are the other auxiliary things that are needed. All this is taught on a instrument of recording the case which is called standardized case record. This gives a lot of standardization to the thinking process. Also in the inpatient department, there are various diseases patients which come and get admitted. Now this exposure during the course of training period will enable any MD medicine postgraduate student to launch directly into practice or further. Now there are various other further courses available like PhD. Also, MLD MHI has a strong research wing which allows access to various projects that are undertaken at community level, at the OPDs level. So, a person who further wants to do PhD can also think about his thesis topic or develop his skills in a particular field which he wants to further develop in his practice. So that is why I think that every medicine MD student has lot of scope to learn all these practice oriented things at MLD MHI medicine department.